What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Real estate agents spend hours writing listing descriptions, follow-up emails, and market updates. In this video, I'm going to show you how to handle all three automatically using Claude. So let's get started. To write property listings, generate follow-up emails, and market updates automatically using Claude, we're going to start by creating a skill that will be responsible for writing our descriptions, follow-up emails, and marketing updates for real estate agents. Create the skill. I'll click on customize right here. Now click on skills here, click on the plus icon right here. Then I'm going to create the skill using Claude. Here I'll hit enter. Here I'll hit send to describe the skill that I would like Claude to create for us. So here we're going to tell Claude, create a skill for real estate agents that transforms property information from a spreadsheet into professional marketing and client communication assets. The skill should read the property address and key property details from a spreadsheet, then generates a polished MLS listing description, a personalized buyer follow-up email, and a market update summary tailored to the property location and characteristics. The generated outputs for each property should automatically be added into a dedicated Google Docs, and the skill should return the Google Docs link for review. You should clearly define the structure of the spreadsheet, the required inputs, the prompts used to generate each output, the workflow Claude follows, the formatting standards for every deliverable, and how the output works together to help real estate agents market properties and communicate with clients faster and more consistently. To create the skill, I'll hit enter right here. Give it a second for it to create our skill. You can see it's actually in creating our skill for us right here. This is incredible. Instructed to create our skill. Went ahead and asked me these questions right here that I went ahead and verified. So it was asking the columns. I told it we're going to feed it spreadsheet with all these data, and then we'd like to output for each property its own Google Docs. So choose the tone, and when I would like to trigger, and it went ahead and generated our skill for us right here. So you can see the skill is ready. It's going to generate a listing description, 115 to 200 word description. It's also going to generate our follow-up email and our market update summary. This is incredible. So I'll save our skill. You can also preview the skill to the right here. Ensure that it does everything that we want. This is incredible. So now, if you like to include or exclude some information to or from the skill, you can edit the skill. You can go back to skills right here, review your skill. So now to edit the skill, I'll click on the three dots right here. You can choose to edit the skill manually here, then click on save, or you can choose to edit the skill using Claude. So here's where you can tell Claude to include the information that you'd like to include to the skill, or exclude the information from the skill automatically using Claude. But since our skill works perfectly, we can go ahead and start generating our marketing and communication deliverables for real estate agent using our skill. So I'll search for the skill right here. Click on the skill. Then I'm going to tell Claude use the skill to read the new and updated property data from a spreadsheet named property details spreadsheet, and generate a polished MLS listing description, a personalized buyer follow-up email, and a market update summary for each property, and save the generated outputs for each property to a dedicated Google Docs, and return the Google Docs link for review. Process every property in the spreadsheet and generate separate Google Docs for each one. In Google Sheets, I've created a spreadsheet that I've renamed to property details spreadsheet. This is a spreadsheet that we're adding our property details. So here you can see the property address, city, state, zip code, property type, bedrooms, bathrooms, square footage, lot size, when it was built, listing price, key features, neighborhood, target buyer, days on market, agent name, agent email, and additional notes for the properties. So now to generate our description, follow-up emails, and market update summary using our skill, I'll hit send. So here you can see it successfully generated our description, follow-ups, and market update summary for each of our property right here. So we had only 3 properties in our spreadsheet. Went ahead and generated the items for us right here and added the items to a Google Docs. Let us preview the description, follow-ups, and the marketing updates for what 3 platforms. To do that, I'll open this link, the first property, then open the other link for the second property, then open the third link for the third property. You can see the marketing assets for this property right here. You can see the MLS listing description, follow-up email right here, and market update summary. This is incredible. So this was for this property, and this other one was for this property right here. Here's the listing description, follow-up email, and the market update summary. This is incredible. And the last one was this one right here for this property. Is MLS listing description, follow-up email, and the market update summary. This is really incredible. We successfully generated the listing description, buyer follow-up email, and the market update summary over 3 properties automatically using the skill that we created here in Claude. So you can go ahead and update our spreadsheet with new properties. Go ahead and generate their marketing assets using the skill in Claude. So I've gone ahead and updated our property details spreadsheet with 4 new properties right here. Here are the address of the properties, city, state, zip, property size, bedrooms, bathrooms, square footage, lot size, the year the properties were built, the listing price, key features, neighborhood, target buyer, days on market, agent name, the email, and additional notes. Now generate our marketing assets for each property right here using our skill. I'll hit send. Let's give it a second for it to generate our items for us. It successfully generated our marketing assets for 4 properties from our spreadsheet right here using the skill that we created right here in Claude. This is incredible. So now to preview our marketing assets for 4 properties, I'm going to open these links. You can open that link for the third property. Here. So here you can see the marketing assets for properties. So this is a marketing asset for this property right here. You can see the listing description, buyer follow-up email, and market update summary. This is incredible. It's a comprehensive description. It's also including the property information from our spreadsheet. Here's a buyer follow-up email and the market update summary. This is incredible. And then this one is for this property right here. Here's a description for the property. Here's a buyer follow-up email and the market update summary. This for this property right here. Here's a description, buyer follow-up email, and market update summary. This is incredible. Here you can see the description, follow-up email, and the market update summary. This is incredible. So we successfully generated these marketing assets for real estate agents automatically using the skill that we created here in Claude. We can try generating a last round of marketing assets for different properties using our skill. So I've gone ahead and updated our property details spreadsheet with 3 more properties right here. Here the property address, city, state, zip, property size, bedroom, bathrooms, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, square footage, lot size, years built, the year it was built, listing price, key features, neighborhood, target buyer, days on the market, agent name, agent email, and additional notes. Yep. So now to generate our marketing assets for our 3 properties using our scale, I'm going to copy these prompts and reuse it. And then here I'm going to hit send to generate our marketing assets for the 3 properties. Let's give it a second for it to do it. So it successfully generated our 3 marketing assets for 3 properties right here. You can preview marketing assets by opening these links right here. When you open our links, you can see the marketing assets for these property here. You can see the listing description of the property, the buyer follow-up email, and the market update summary right here. It's incredible. Same with this property right here. You can see the description, follow-up email, and the market update summary. Lastly, with this property right here, you can see the same marketing assets. This is a property. So these were the 3 marketing assets or 3 properties right here. We added to a spreadsheet right here. We generated using our scale right here in Claude. This is incredible. So using the scale that we created right here in Claude, we successfully generated these marketing assets for various properties that we added to a spreadsheet over here. This is incredible. So this is how you can automate generating property listings, follow-up emails, and market summary data as a real estate agent using the skill that we created here in Claude. Now, if you'd like help automating manual tasks that you're currently doing in your business or your agency, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how I can help automate those manual tasks for you. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and be on the lookout for the next video that will be dropping soon. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.